This rewrites history. How come they never told me that the Garden of Eden and the Tree of Life is in Hindu mythology? The ancient Hindus believed in a thing called the Kalpavrishka, which was the tree of life. Different people from all over the land would come and make wishes to this tree, and the tree would grant them the wishes they desired. But people made evil wishes towards this tree, so it was removed from the earth and placed in another dimension called Indra's abode. This is very similar to how Adam and Eve sinned against the tree in the Garden of Eden, and then they were removed from the presence of the tree. And obviously, if the Garden of Eden was on earth, it clearly is no longer here today. It clearly is in another dimension, just like what we see in the Hindu story. After the Kalpavrishka, or the Hindu tree of life, was moved to the other dimension, it was said to be moved to Mount Meru and then put in the center of the 5 paradise gardens. In the Bible, in Ezekiel chapter 14, oddly enough, it says the tree of life is on the mountain of God, and obviously the tree of life is located in the Garden of Eden. In the Kalpavrishka in Hindu mythology is located in the center of 5 paradise gardens. And obviously Eden is always referred to as paradise. The Kalpavrishka was located in the center of Mount Meru, and the tree of life in the Bible is located in the center of the Garden of Eden. Not only this, but the Kalpavrishka is guarded by angelic-like beings called Gandharvas. Just like in the Bible, how the Garden of Eden was guarded by angels. So how is it possible that these two completely separate and distinct cultures have basically the same exact story if it never was a real place and if these things never actually took place?